Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add payment method on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to add payment method to your Apple ID, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing I recommend you have to try to check for some settings to prevent any kind of issue. So you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you can also try to connect with a different network connection which is stable and strongest. Then go ahead to your settings app. Go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, just go back and here go to language and region. Select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting region, just go back and here go to data name section. Also enable this toggle to set your data name automatically. Again, go back and go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back and here open your any browser and to open any website to check if your internet is working well. If you find that your internet is working well, so there's no issue, you have to simply open your app store and here just tap on your profile option on the top right and here just tap on your Apple ID and just verify yourself using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. And from here, you have two ways to add payment method to Apple ID. The very first way is that you have to tap on this Manage Payments option, and you'll go to the page to add payment method. But it might have some errors, so to prevent errors, you have to go to Country or Region section from here, and just select your own country or region from here in which you are living. Let's say I'm gonna select this one because I have just selected this in my settings. So I'm going to reselect this. Tap on Continue option here and then tap on Agree in the top right. And here you just have to add your payment method. So it might be your credit or debit card, your PayPal account, your mobile phone, or something else based on your location. So after select, just add the info about, and after entering your payment method, you have to also add your billing address. There are three it's required, so these two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can search from Google and enter your town, then country, and then your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on done option on the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily add payment method to your Apple ID and your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.